I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so and click the bell and get the notifications because I do often do like surprise little uploads. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. I would love it if you would not only subscribe or continue to subscribe, but if you would like and share, I think that would be awesome because I would be so happy. And when I'm happy, I want to try to make you happy. Actually, I always want to try to make people happy. Like, that's a whole nother video. Anywho, this is an update and review because I've worn this wig a lot. And this was when I was first buying wigs, I bought a lot from beauty supply stores. I do not do that any longer, but this was one that I was really happy with. And this is from the Bohemian Deep Part Lace line. And this is Miss Sophie, and she is in the color DKPU, which is a dark purple. Okay, I don't really know what the cost was of this wig. I bought her and a few other wigs at the same time, and they were all under $15. But I feel like it was like buy 2 get 1 free or something like that. And she's heat safe up to 377 degrees. That's super specific. Okie doke. I love this sort of really like grapey purple situation. Her wig cap has, she was a lace front wig, so I'll pull that up. You can see that it was lace front wig. She's supposed to be this like middle parting, but mine is sort of curved, which I like, so I'm not really complaining, but I'm not sure that that was what was supposed to be. She's definitely a yaki texture. She's got 2 combs in the front. She does have a comb in the back, adjustable straps. Let's look at her from the back. Yeah, there's a nice stack back there. It's really funny because if you watch some of my other videos, I don't usually like anything that's like really stacked up in a deep angle. This one, the reason I like this is because it's stacked up quite high, and I don't mind that. I feel like the style is kind of versatile because like you could tuck something behind your ear and leave this sort of long and super cute. You could tuck both of them behind your ear. You can kind of flip it around, make it a little bit, you know, messy. Don't do anything behind your ear. It's really giving me like super like 90s in living color vibes, but I love the 90s, so is what it is. I really love this wig. Like I said, it's a yaki texture, but it does have a silkiness to it. I don't feel like it needed any dry shampoo. Matter of fact, I didn't even really understand about dry shampoo when I was wearing this. It didn't need that. I worn it quite a bit. If you go on my Instagram, which is Tia Maria Everyday, you will see probably pictures of me wearing this, and potentially in videos you might have seen some. I would definitely recommend this if you come across this. I will search for it online, and if I find it, I will put it down below. She's lasted. I've worn her at least 5 or 6 times. She's pretty comfortable. The lace is a little bit older, so it's going to be tiny bit scratchy, but that's not unusual for an older wig. I really adore this color. I don't usually like dark colors. I don't usually have 1B, but I feel like because the 1B is really intermixed with this dark purple, I think it's a really cute way to wear purple if you don't want to go like too crazy. And I think this is a very wearable style. It's a work-friendly style. It's a cute, sassy, like, purple eye. I'm going to go out and snag me a man, because every video I say that because I just can't. I can't get a man. I wonder if it's because I wear wigs. Anyway, again, not going there. So, this is a wig that I absolutely love. Again, this is Miss Sophia from the Bohemian wig line. If you have any wigs that you would like me to review, if you have specific colors, please put that down below. Anytime I get a request, I try very hard not only to get the wig if I don't have it, but if I have it, pull it and review it, because I really want to make sure that I'm giving you content that you love and that is helpful. So if there's any video at all you ever want to see, please go ahead and put it down below. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please do so, and if you have, thank you so much, because I'll see you in my next video. Bye.